rhetoric we have just heard from you, Taoiseach, is very, very dangerous.
Hear, hear.
You have effectively offered a defence and a rationale for the indefensible and brazen breach of international law. You see, these strikes were launched while negotiations over Iran's nuclear programme were reportedly making progress, while diplomacy was underway and while talks were described as constructive. And now, instead of dialogue, we have missiles. Instead of dialogue and negotiation, we have assassination and we have dead schoolgirls in large, large numbers. So why is it that you will not call out this aggression and name it for what it is? You express concern, you call for restraint, but you notably stop short of condemning those that have launched this attack. And the question is, why? Ireland's neutrality, our commitment to international law, mean absolutely nothing if they disappear when powerful states are involved. Why are you shrinking away from stating the obvious? Why will you not speak clearly? Why will you not name the actions of Israel and the United States as illegal, dangerous, in breach of international law?
McDonald.